Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to study 11th class first chapter sets. Hello students, our topic for today is the cardinal number of a finite set. Let us try to understand this concept with the help of a example. If A is a set of A, E, I, O, U, then how many elements A has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A has 5 elements. How many elements a set has is known as the cardinal number of the set and denoted by the symbol n of A. If A is the set, here we have taken it is set A. So number of element in set A is 5. So cardinal number of the set A is 5. So cardinal number of a finite set is the number of element in a finite set. Cardinal number of A is denoted by symbol Na. If set B is there, then we will write N of B. Now we are coming to the concept of equivalent set. Two sets are said to be equivalent set if number of element in set A is equal to number of element in a set B. Let us take an example. If A is a 1, 2, 3, A has 1 and 2 and 3 elements. B has A, B, C, number of element it has also 3. Look, elements, its elements are 1, 2, 3. Its elements are A, B, C. Not both the set having same elements, but number of elements are same. So cardinal number of set A, number of element in set A is 3, number of element in B is also 3. So they are equivalent set because their number of elements are equal. Whether they are equal or not, no matter in set of equivalent. Let us take one more example. If A is a set 2, 3, B is a set X, solution of the equation x square plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Then find whether n of A is equal to n of B or not. Then we have to know whether they are equivalent or not. First of all, we know what elements A and B has. A has the element 2 and 3. Or we don't know what the element B has. B has the element solution of this equation. So first we have to solve them. Let us solve them. X square plus 5x plus 10 we have to solve. Solution of these equations are minus 2 and minus 3. So B will be equal to minus 2 and minus 3. It has also 2 elements. It has also 2 elements. Elements are not same, but their cardinal number are same. So they are equivalent set. Now we are coming to the equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same element. In symbol we write set A is equal to B. Let us also try to get it understand with the help of example. If P is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, Q is a set of 3, 1, 2, 4, then elements of P is exactly the same element of Q. Whether they are written in the same order or not, no matter in the set. So they are equal set. So P is equal to Q. P is the set of A, E, I, O, U, A, and Q is the set of vowels of English alphabet. In mathematics, we cannot repeat the elements of a set. So this A will not consider again. So P will be A, E, I, O, U only. And Q we will write in roster form. X is a vowel of English alphabet. We should have to know the elements of Q also. Then we can decide whether they are equal or not. First we will write both the set in the roster form. So elements of second set also is A, E, I, O, U. Element of the first set is also A, E, I, O, U. Both have the exactly same elements. So P has exactly the same element which the Q has. So P and Q are equal sets. More example, if A is equal to 2 or 3 and B is equal to X, where X is the solution of the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Whether A and B are equal or not. A is clear to us in roster form 2 and 3. For finding B, we have to solve it. We solve this equation, we will get the solution minus 3 and 2. Here B is minus 3 and 2 and A is 2 and 3. Elements are A and B are not same. Elements of set A and B are not same. So A is not equal to B, whether they are equal in cardinal number or not. Let us take an example also of the X. X is a letter of the word of English follow FOLLOW, while B is a set of the letter of the word WOLF, wolf. Here the elements are not clear. Which letter are there in follow and wolf? First we will write both the set in roster form, then we can find whether they are equal or not. Let us write them roster form. A is equal to FOLW. No element will repeat again. Letters, these are the letters are used, whether they are used one time or two times, any times. We will write only one time them in the roster form, every element. Roster form of B will be WOLF. Both have the same elements. So set A will be equal to set B. This is the equality of the set. I hope students you have understood the equality of the